I'm going to be looking at the CHEFREE air fryer and grill. This is a 120 degrees centigrade to 265 centigrade wide temperature range, power off protection, forward speed temperature adjustment, non-stick coating, large 6 litre capacity, and a 1660 watt high power. I'm just going to open it up and get everything out and see what comes with it. And then I shall have a good read through the instructions and give everything a good wash and clean before I get started. That's the user manual that comes with it. Plug there. This, I presume, is the tray for the pan. Let's just put that to the side. Put the starter on top. And I presume this just lifts straight out. Push the box back. Warning on the top. Okay. This has got a plastic sleeve on it. Let's just take that off. Plugs in plastic, I'll leave that for now. That lifts up there. There's the bits in there, the tray. It comes out. Just take that out. Grill basket there. As I say, I shall unwrap all these and give them a good wash out and clean before I try it out. And I'm going to put the other grill bit. Just take the coating off that. That's this bit. I'm not sure which way up that goes. That's that way. Anyway, it'll say in the instructions. Right, that's it. And what I should do is I shall, as I say, clean everything up, and then next I shall be trying it out. I've now washed everything inside and had a good read through the manual. I think I know what I'm doing. I've set up a bit of pork belly there. I'm going to try the roast out on it. I shall switch it on, and I know it goes into a preheat mode before you start, so I want to roast. Let's take that up to 230 and give it 35 minutes. Now if I press start, that's gone into preheat mode, so when that's ready I shall come back and put the pork in. That's now preheated. That took around 3 minutes, so it's time to add it. So lift the lid. Close the lid and off it goes. And what I'll do is I'll come back and see how it's cooked. This is now on the final countdown. It's counted down, nearly done. I did turn the temperature down because I thought it was running a bit too hot, and we'll see how it turns out. Just get some oven gloves. That's it, done. Let's open it up. Take it out. It's quite what you can see. Look. Turned out there. I shall cut that. And so it looks. Certainly the skin's nice and crisp. Just cut it in half. Yeah, that's how that's turned out. That's pretty good. And I shall try it next. I've cut some potatoes, ready cut, and I've just covered them in olive oil, and I'm just going to try them next and see how they turn out. Right, I cleaned out the tray and I set it to air fry. Now I've given it 25 minutes rather than 20, it says, because these are potatoes, they're not frozen chips or anything, and they're fairly thick, so I want to give them a good good cooking. And what I'll do, I shall also give them a shake up during cooking. So, there we go, that's starting now, and I shall come back when they're done. This is now on the final countdown. Now I did shake them up twice during cooking, and they seem to be cooking fine. And once this stops, I shall get them out and have a look. Done. Let's have a look. I gave them 25 minutes. They seem nice and brown. So put them on a plate. And that's it. It's been pretty good. What I'll do, I'll use this for a few more days, and then I shall come back with my full written review.